Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new credit card or debit card to Huel. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have lost their credit card or debit card and want to connect their new payment method in order to pay for Huel. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that first we're going to log on to our Huel account, and on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your profile icon and then click on My Subscriptions. So once this page finishes loading, you're going to scroll down to where it says Payment Methods. So click on Payment Methods. And now this is the really important step, guys. The last step to do is that you're going to click on Add New Payment Method. So go ahead and click on Add New Payment Method. And now on this page here, you have one of two options. You can either add a new credit or debit card, or you can pay with PayPal. So click on credit or debit card, and then from here you just need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV number. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new credit or debit card to Huel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.